Hey guys, so I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to add a still frame or still image into your iMovie. I find that iMovie has made it a little bit more difficult to do within. I haven't found a way, and I looked at other videos and it looks like it's all been patched. So I found this quick and easy way to do it. So first you open up iMovie and you create a new movie or trailer. You go to the titles tab. You can click any one, we'll stick with centered. And keep it simple, we'll choose the date. 2019. Click away. So what we're trying to do is get rid of that fade in and fade out. So you can click somewhere in the middle, maximize the screen. Make sure it's on pause and click anywhere in the middle. Just click away so nothing else is showing up on the screen. Click Command Shift 3 to print screen your whole screen. Go to your desktop, slide it in. You can delete that now. Now we're almost done. You just go to the crop symbol here. You want to start and end at the same time so it doesn't fade in and out. So you just want to stretch it all the way. Kind of clicks in. Alright, perfect. Click away and voila, you have a still image. This is my first video, so please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this helped. Thanks for watching.